We will continue with the cylinders in this video also. Now, here is a different kind of question. He's saying that water is flowing at the rate of 3 kilometers per hour through a circular pipe of 20 centimeter internal diameter into a circular cistern of diameter 10 meters. So what is a cistern? It's also a cylindrical vessel and depth 2 meter. In how much time will the cistern be filled? Now, here we have to understand that let's consider this as a pipe, right? The water is flowing through this pipe. Now it is getting collected in another cylindrical vessel. Now, can we say that the volume of water flowing through this pipe will be equal to the volume of the water that is collected in the another cylindrical vessel? Fine. Now, very important. We are given, we will calculate the volume of water flowing through this pipe because it's a cylinder, pi r square h. What will be the radius that is given? The internal radius of this pipe is 20. He has given the diameter, so we can calculate the radius of this internal pipe. So radius we have. Now the question is, height is not given, right? Height is not given. So what we will do is, speed is given, right? Speed is given and time we have to calculate. So what we will do, we will find the distance using the formula distance is equal to speed into time. So distance of water through this, flowing through this, will become the height of this cylinder, right? So let's calculate that first. So let's see what is given to us. We will say that let the cistern be filled in x hours, right? So here is the cistern and here is the circular pipe which is filling this cistern. Now the water that is coming here is filling this cistern, right? Okay. Now what is the speed that is given to us? 3 kilometers per hour. Time we have said that let it be x hours, right? And circular pipe has internal diameter 20 centimeters. So internal radius will be 10 centimeters, right? And the diameter of this cistern is 10 meters internal diameter. So what does that mean? Capital radius will be 5 meters. Depth of this cistern is 2 meters. That is height. We'll keep the height of this capital height as 2 meters. Now he wants us to calculate the time in which this can be filled. So we can say the volume of water flowing through the pipe is equal to the volume of water collected here, right? Actually, you have to be very careful. You don't have to, consider the volume of this cylinder. If he is saying that it should be filled up to brim, then only you can say. Here in this case, he is saying that how much time will it take to fill this cylinder up to brim. That's why we are taking the entire volume of this, right? So now let's calculate the volume of water flowing through pipe. Through the pipe. Now water will take the shape of the cylindrical pipe. So that is pi r square into h, right? Now that is 22/7 into r is, that is in centimeters. We can convert this into meters by 10/100 into 10 by 100. Now what about this h? How will we calculate h? Now we will calculate h as the distance of water that is covering through this pipe, right? So how do we calculate the distance here? Distance is equal to speed into time. So distance is equal to, speed is already given to us. How much is that? 300 kilometer per hour. We can convert that into meters, right? Into time we have kept x hours, right? So my distance is equal to, sorry, this is 1000, 3000 into x. Now this becomes the height of this pipe. So I can put the height now as 3000 x. Now this is the volume of the water flowing through the pipe. Now let us find the volume of the cistern. Volume of this cistern is equal to pi, which is 22/7, into r square. What is the radius of this? 5 meters. So 5 into 5 into h. Capital H is 2, right? Now can we say that these two volumes are equal? Volume of water flowing through the pipe is equal to the volume of the cistern. So we can equalize these two. So we can say 22/7 into 10/100 into 10/100 into 3000x is equal to 22/7 into 5 into 5 into 2, right? This and this will go. This and this will also go. Now 1, 2, 1, 2. So what are we left with now? X. So this will go down here. So we have x is equal to 5 into 5 into 2 divided by 30. So 5 6 are, 2 3s are. So x is equal to 5/3 hours. In 5/3 hours, this pipe will, the water through this, flowing through this pipe will fill this cistern.